The 2010 Honda Fit, powered by a 1.5-liter VTEC 4-cylinder engine. With a 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this front-wheel drive hatchback, with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Honda features rear spoiler, alloy wheels, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, cruise control, and power door locks. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Walnut Creek Honda, a Carfax Advantage dealer.